This second short video will show how simply and quickly you can make an artwork for Willowbrae's Window Wanderland. You may want to use a symbol as a memory of a loved one. My grandpa loved fishing, so I found a very simple and bold picture of a salmon on the internet and printed this as a reference. I then found some cereal boxes, made sure the area they took up would fit the window and drew out the design. If you don't feel confident to scale up your drawing, please take a look at the other short film which will show you how to use the grid method or a projector to draw your image. Then it's just a case of cutting it out. I just used scissors and cut right into the eye shapes and some of the detail so that my final fish was in one piece, ready to be stuck on the window with sellotape. With my cereal choice for our eyes only. I can even keep my curtains closed with the light on to get the desired effect. No paint was needed.